What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's your boy Stan with Stanley's Reviews. In today's episode, we're going to be doing a car wash. I'm going to be washing my wheels on my car, washing all the exterior of the car with this pressure washer here while doing a review of it. It's the Aivolt PWX 3200 with the max PSI of 2400. So we're going to actually check that out and see how it runs, how it operates, and get to the full video and give you either a thumbs up or thumbs down of it. I don't really like electric pressure washers like that. I prefer gas, but this one was on sale, so I went on Prime Day. I got it. It was pretty reasonably priced, over $100, about $110 to be exact. So I'm just gonna check it out, see what it does, and give you a rundown of exactly how it operates and how well it runs. So let's get to the video further. Let's go. All right, this is the Aivolt in a nutshell. It's pretty much a straightforward electric pressure washer, so I'm going to be doing the unboxing. Like I said, the model number is PWX 3200S and the max PSI is 2400. So as you could see on the box there. So let me go ahead and open it and see what it's working with. All right. That's the bag with all the instruction that it comes with. Those are the wheels for the legs. All four legs. These are all accessories that comes with it. This is pressure washer cord. And this one right here is the unit in itself. And this is the pressure washing gun. So first thing first, we're gonna assemble the gun. What we wanna do is put it together like so, I think. And in the gun, there's some heads, like you could put the heads in here just to store them. It's actually great. And that's the unit in itself. That's how you put the legs together. All right, so it looks like we're gonna have to screw all these wheels together. After that, wheels run perfectly, and it has 4 screw holes in the bottom. I need a screwdriver, so I'm gonna go grab one, because I didn't know there was this much labor involved in it. The thing I don't like about electric pressure washers is it comes with a plastic hose holder, like right here. That's not, I'm not really a fan of that, but I could make it work this one time for sure, because the previous one I had was the same scenario and it ended up crapping out on me. So kind of skeptical about this one. And this is the foam cannon. It's pretty small. I have a good foam cannon that I'm going to replace this with. I'm probably not even going to bother using this one, to be honest with you. I'm going to be using the pressure washer hose right here. And the way these electric pressure washers work is they don't come with the normal hose that every other gas pressure washer comes with, the universal ones. It comes with a nozzle tip in the front that has to go right in there, I think. Yep, like so. It comes like that. And when you want to remove it, you just press that orange button right there and it comes off. And to clip it, you put it back in the same way. And that's that. And this right here is the on and off button. So it's on off position right now because we don't need it on. And this will go with the gun. So let's put that together. And the gun is practically all set. That's the trigger for the gun. It has a lock button right here. You can squeeze it out and it locks. As you can see, you push this button again and it's ready to use. So that's that in a nutshell. Let's see what's inside the bag. Oh, I have a screwdriver that came with it. That's nice. I don't know what these are just yet, but that's to tell you I don't use instructions. As you could see, the instruction manual didn't matter much to me. As you saw, that's easy. That's where the gun goes, on the side right there. That was easy. And this goes where the wire is. That's also easy. And this goes right here. So let's go to screwing things together. And where does this go? Oh, this goes down this way, I guess. Last piece is this head right here. Gonna screw it in there. And we're gonna put these into motion. I like this one. This one is nice. And it has the sticker logo on there too. Pretty nice. All right, y'all, this is my Miko head right there, foam cannon. Just plugging it in and getting ready to go to work. It's plugged in. Just like that, I'm in business. Thank you for watching Stanley's Reviews. Don't hesitate to hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends as well, and feel free to hit me up with a comment as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good one. Peace.